What's up guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel, and in this video I am actually going to be reviewing the rice water. So when I was searching to see which remedy is actually better, I found so many different options. So for this video I'm actually going to try the basic one for those that don't have lavender oil, Moroccan oil, castor oil and all those oils. And so this one is purely rice and water. And so stick around because you don't want to miss. And while you're at it, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe.
So to make the rice, you just need half a cup of rice and water, and I just put it in a jar so I can just rinse it. I love to rinse it twice because it just gets all the dirt out. And then I'm going to get a mason's jar, which you could use any other jar, and just put it in there. And then once I'm done, I just shake it, and then tidy up wherever you were working, and then yep, it's ready to sit for 24 hours. So as you guys can see, my afro is very dry, no curls whatsoever. It's very like knotty and matted, which is always my problem.
It stinks. It stinks. It really stinks. But you have to suffer for beauty. So I'm gonna put this here. Okay. There's the water. Just gonna rinse my water bowl. So this is my rice water.
Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is section it off. As I said in the beginning, my hair is really matted. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. I really hope it works.
Ooh. It stinks, but damn, it honestly stinks. But no way, guys. Like, the reason why I'm so happy is because I've been having crappy dry hair lately. This is exactly what my hair needs. Guys, oh my gosh. So I'm just gonna do, let me show you. I'm just gonna do twists like this. So I want you guys to see. Oh my gosh, I just want to say that I Usually to get my hair this curly, I have to add products that I pay for, and this is after a wash, shampoo and a conditioner, then it gets this curly. Oh my gosh, look here, you can see this is my real hair right now, naughty, and then this is it. Oh my gosh, guys, like, are you kidding me? So this side, I ironed my hair in December, and because I heated it with iron, it got damaged. And so my skulls are still trying to survive, come back, but yo guys, yo, what is this? What? No guys, I'm mic drop. I'm ready to call it quits. Like, I'm satisfied with this, and it's just the beginning. My hair feels so soft. I don't know what to say, like my hair is dry. So I'm just gonna put some in my hair. And then my edges. I just want to make sure it's all covered. So I left the rice water in for one whole night. In the morning I got up, and as you guys can see that I'm getting ready to wash it. But what I recommend is, if you're trying it out for the first time, do it one whole night. And when I did research, it says to do it once every 2 to 3 weeks depending on your hair. Now my hair did not my hair didn't get damaged, so I'm actually going to reveal my results after this. But my hair didn't get damaged, so I could actually do it like twice every 2 weeks to see. So guys, it's the end of the day. That's why my afro looks crazy as ever. And so I slept with it the whole night, and then in the morning I got up, I washed my hair. Now the negative side of it is that your hair stinks, and so I would say, if you're gonna do this, make sure you wash your hair properly, because your hair stinks. You need to wash your hair properly. When you wash it out, that's my number one. But guys, from the video where I was putting it to now, so I just washed it with conditioner, shampoo. I didn't put anything else. Like, my hair is dry, but I wanted to see if, like, I just wanted to see how's my hair gonna be, because I've done this before where I've just washed my hair with shampoo and conditioner and left it dry, and it's usually matted again and there's no curls. But if you guys can see, like, I want you guys to look at the curls. Can you see that? Can you see all that? That would never be here if I just had washed it with shampoo and conditioner. And I'm talking about the same shampoo and conditioner. That would never be here. My afro would be like puffed up. I don't know, like, it would be like this. Like, you know, when you, like, my curls wouldn't be defined. Like, my whole head would just be like boom. But I feel like my hair is super soft. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like my hair is super soft. It's shinier. It feels lighter. I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't shed. Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. The most, guys, the one thing I'm really impressed about is, so whenever I have to wash my hair or whatever, I always have to put conditioner or detangler and comb it before then wash it. And when I'm done, even when I'm done combing it, when I'm in the shower, it's still like sheds. Like, my hair, my afro really, like, it just sheds. Like, the hair just falls out. I don't know. It's not to say, like, I don't want to say my hair's breaking. No, it's just like when I'm combing or whatever sheds, and when I'm in the shower. But I noticed this morning, it was literally, it was like, I want to say a good amount of like 80% no longer sheds. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. Literally, it was 20% of what it normally sheds. I think it's sheds, where your hair falls. I think that's the word. But even when I was doing it last night, I didn't use a comb. I didn't use a combing comb. I didn't use a detangling brush. I literally just used rice water and my fingers. And so honestly, I would say I would give this rice water hack a thumbs up, because I don't know the growth part, but I do know that it was good for my hair, because my hair was curly, number one. Number two, my hair is super soft. It feels, and number three, it feels light. Like, you know when you have curly products on your hair's heavy and like oily and all that stuff. Guys, I don't know how to explain it. I just want to show you guys, like, my hair feels so healthy. Like, just look at all this. Look, I'm in like a weird position, but guys, like, my afro, the more I keep coming, like, these curls, never, just look at all this. Look at all that. Look, I never have that. It is 2 weeks later, and I want to show you guys the growth side of it. So I'm surprised, and this is just the rice and water. I'm still going to try the Yahoo one, but this is my hair. Okay, this is what it looks like right now, and honestly, I must say I am so surprised. Like, here, let's show you here. Like, here, for example, my hair never reached here. It could not. Like, literally, my hair, it's past my collarbone. Like, honestly, I am impressed, because like the back of my hair was super short because I got it cut. It was probably like this much. So I would say this much grew. Guys, honestly speaking, I'm impressed. I'm honestly impressed. I have nothing bad to say otherwise, but my hair is oily, but that's not because of the rice water. It's strictly because I've been oiling it. But in terms of growth, it's a 2 weeks later, and my hair is wild crazy, and it has grown. I'm super impressed. I'm even more excited to try the other one. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you're satisfied with my results, but I am going to do the one from the Yahoo woman. The Yahoo woman are the woman with the longest hair in the world. They're originally from China. I'm going to put their picture up here. And so yeah, they came up with this whole rice water and like a citrusy fruit and all this stuff. So in my next video, I am going to be doing their recipe exactly the same. And so you might want to turn on your subscription and turn on your notification bell, because you do not want to miss it. But while you wait, there's something for you to do. You could watch these 2 videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you guys stay safe and have a great day. Bye.